Alpine Pat here, Sunday, February 26th. Hard to believe we're in the last weekend of February. And I'll tell you, Mother Nature has not been kind to us in southeastern Wisconsin. Yes, we experienced an ice storm last week, but I'll tell you, I've been riding this weekend and you would never know it. Conditions are excellent, and I stress excellent. I don't care what Mother Nature throws at us. Alpine Valley knows how to rebound. If you're looking for those last turns of the season, time to get out here. Now, the sun is warm, the snow is excellent, and I tell you, everybody's in a festive mood. Hope to see you soon. I may even get a testimonial here from somebody. If I can see somebody coming down, I know, waving over. But otherwise, I just, I think the season been successful considering. Come here. Hey. Come over here. What's up, Pat? How are you?
Good.
How are they? How's the conditions?
They're great today. Awesome morning so far.
How was the season in general?
It's been great. It's been great.
I know. Considering this rain we got last week,
I know. I wasn't gonna come, but glad I'm here.
I know. Let's enjoy the sunshine, okay?
You too.
But anyways, don't procrastinate. Get out here. Booyah!